Panchayat Raj. And this initiative, this is done by GSP. GSP is going to Swabhiman Party, in which I am the Vice President. My name is Roshan Matthias. And GSP it is actually going to hours. Going to hours. Okay? So that NGO has become now GSP, which is going to Swabhiman Party. We have a huge team all over Europe. We also contested elections, etc. And under GSP, we have this particular program called Knowledge is Power, Know Your Rights. And under this, we have different types of talks. One of that is Panchayat Raj. We also give talk on CRZ, CZNB, we give talk on forest rights, we give talk on different subjects. Okay? So, welcome to this wonderful session, and I hope you will gain as much as I have gained from each and every talk that we have done. Interesting facts. The word Panchayat is derived from the Sanskrit word for Pancha ani Ayatana. You got that word? Pancha ani Ayatana. These are two Sanskrit words. And that is combined and it is called a Panchayat. Can you tell me what Pancha is? Pancha means Pans, 5. And Ayatana? Many members. Any other answers? Pardon? Committee. So the actual words are Pancha meaning 5, which is correct. Ayatana meaning place or a house. Now what type of house this is? If you see the actual word Ayatana, it means house, म्हणजे घर. पण कोणले घर? Ayatana बेश्टे कोणाचे घराक Ayatana म्हणून. It is a house of worship or a house where of very high value. Call it a बेश्टे घर. Like church also is a house, correct? But house of God. It is a house. Same way Ayatana is not an ordinary house. It is a house of worship or of very high value. So what is your Panchayat finally? A house of 5 of very high value. Can you imagine that your Panchayat is this? I think this is a Panchayat. A place of very high value. Oh yeah, correct. To collect. And who is to be blamed? Me. Good. At least you took the blame. So, a house of 5 wise people. Okay? Now you may be saying 5. But because of the requirement, because of the system, because of the growth of population, etc., today that 5 is not there, it has gone to different numbers. But they have maintained that particular name because minimum is 5 now in any panchayat. So they have maintained that. Okay? How old is panchayat system? कोणी सांगू शकता पंचायत म्हणजे एक केन्नापासून आणले केन्नासान स्टार्ट झाला कोणी सांगशात 5 मनशा 5 वाइज पीपल 5 जाणार मनशा हे केन्नासान स्टार्ट झाला एन्शियंट टाइम हाउ एन्शियंट 18th century any other answers 17 16 15 anything this is as old as when probably civilization started. तुम्ही जाणा आसतले ख्रिस्ताव धर्मापासून बायबलांपासून बरयलेले आहा but when there was a situation 5 of them met together as elders आयकला तुम्ही in the Hindu religion it is there in the Hindu houses it is there in Catholic houses it is there सारखे काय नो वडील असून वचपाक this system of listening to the elders or giving responsibility to elders is from long ago. Okay? So it is not a new system. It has been the backbone of many villages. Now, this system, what I have put this talk in, is one is pre-1947. 47 and kile zale? Independence. So, Pre-independence, there was British rule. British Asthana, there was Panchayat. This system of elders, Zanaraja, this system unletena. Post 1947, after independence, we had that system. And in Goa, even though in 1947 India Swatantra Zali, what was Goa's situation? Goa was still under rule of Portugal, correct? So, pre-liberation, that is before 61, Goa had a panchayat system, and after 61 till 94, there was a different panchayat system. Now, I will show you what exactly this is. Okay, pre-liberation. I am going to tell you only mainly about Goa, otherwise it is too long. Okay, so Goa, what was happening is Goa has unique history of government dating to ancient time. We had some system called Gaonkari system. Yeah, I know that Gaonkari. Ye kaun Gaonkari? People of the village. They had a system of Komunidad. Am I right or wrong? Yeah, I know that what is Komunidad? Certain people from there were chosen to take care of the properties of everything, correct? So what is this system? Again, like Panchayat, giving the responsibility to certain elders or certain wise people. And they had this group called Wangor. It was a clan, basically. Okay, I'll go through this very fast. This is the organization of the Komunidad, how they have the members, then they have Zolkar, Asokar, Gamkar, all these are there. Okay, and their job was what? Mainly to lease. जे भाटान बी तेंचेशी ते रेंटाक दिताले सारके खूब जाण आमचेशी न्हय हा शेतां हा ती शेतां हुंयसर मेळ्ळ्या आमकां थोडे जाणांनी कोमुनिदादान आमकां दिल्ले तुमी चलयात म्हणून सारके 99 years वॉट एवर दे शुड गिवन लीज सो देयर जॉब वॉज टू कलेक्ट दिस मनी फ्रॉम द पीपल some of them they sold property etc so they were given charge they used to take care of the water bodies they used to take care of the village so that is the Komunidad. Now, the British, they had a system called Kamara municipals. When Portuguese was in Goa, they had a system called Kamara municipal. This was not Komunidad. Komunidad was locally आपले Komunidadi केले. पण government त्यांना कोण Portuguese त्यांनी आपले मनीस घातले and they made something called Kamara municipal. So that was Portuguese people and I won't go much. But they used to choose officers to take care of the village. So this was the system of the Portuguese. And they used to call the third one they had was a rural self-government body, which again is half government and half आमचे गोंयचो लोकल होते. So that was called Juntas de Freguesias. I won't go much into this, okay? This is fast. Okay? आणि हे सगळे पळोवपाक तेंचो एक मनीस आसतालो कोण तो रिटन दे रेजिडोर. ओके? तुम्ही तो वॉल्टराचे व्हिडिओ पळयल्यात आसले तो म्हणटा हांवें रेजिडोर ऑफ गोवा म्हणटा तो. सगळे आयकात रे म्हणटा. हां? सो रेजिडोर एक मनीस आसलो ही वॉज द हेड ऑफ द होल विलेज ऑर दॅट एरिया. आयज कोण हा? हां? Sarpanch. So he is as good as the regidor of that. Now, हे सगळे regidor त्यांचे कितें आणले? There was no कायदा नासलो. जे गव्हर्नमेंट सांगताले उतरान सांगताले ते करताले. Komunidad didn't have a system. Okay, it was basically ह्या लोकांक विचून काडले ते जाले Komunidad. Okay, so there was no written document. So जेन्ना आमची लिबरेशन जाले 61 in 62 the next year we came with something called Goa Daman and New Village Panchayat Regulation. म्हणजे आता हे पंचायत कशें चलोवपाचे कोण जावपाचो पंच कशें इलेक्शन जावचें हे सगळे तेन्ना 1962 जाले. बट दिस वॉज डन ओनली इन गोवा. ते भाशेन दुसरे स्टेटींनी महाराष्ट्रान आपले केले केरळान आपले केले आंध्र प्रदेशान आपले केले रुल्स. एवरी वन वॉज डुईंग देयर ओन रुल्स. इतून झाले कितें गोवाचे रुल्स आहा ते महाराष्ट्राक मॅच जायनासले महाराष्ट्राचे रुल्स आसले ते आंध्र प्रदेशाक मॅच जायनासले ते सगळे आपले करताले. सो देयर वॉज नो प्रॉपर सिस्टम. सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट वॉज वंडरिंग वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन इंडिया. Suddenly Goa is doing something else, Maharashtra is doing something else. So what they did was, in 1993, the central government, the parliament, came with one amendment. What is that amendment called? 73rd amendment. Okay, आता माशू बरं ऐकून घ्या. तुम्ही कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन म्हणून ऐकला, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया ऐकला. हे किती? What is Constitution of India? Book though. Okay, don't take so much tension. Book though. On the book. त्या बुकान बरयला आख्खी इंडिया कशें चलोवपाची पळय. सारकी very simple words. हे बरयला कोणे? The people. Some people said, okay, for India let's write some rules, so they went ahead. And when they passed that, they said, we the people are giving ourselves a set of rules. सारखे. So आम्ही लोक आमकां दितात एक book, ते rules आम्ही follow करतात. So that is called Constitution. ते Constitution जाय ते प्रेसिडेंट कोण जातलो, प्राइम मिनिस्टर कोण जावंक शकता, पंचायत कोण चलोवंक जाता, हे सगळे XYZ बरयलेले आहा. आनी टायम टू टायम ते थोडे चेंजीस करतात. कित्याक करचे पडटा. ओके, दे हॅव टू चेंज. केन्नाय रॉंग जावंक शकता, केन्नाय तो कायदो काडटा तो चड वर्सान वयता, सो दे मेक इट लिटल लेस, यू नो, वॉटएवर. सो दे चेंज. एवरी चेंज इज कॉल्ड अ amendment. सारखे. Every change is called amendment. So the 73rd change which happened in 93 is called 73rd amendment to the Constitution. गरजेचे कितें? What is the 73rd amendment? So गव्हर्नमेंटान पळयलें की इंडिया सगळे कितें चालू आहा ते सगळो एक कितें दुसरे कायदे फॉलो करता. So they brought this 73rd amendment and they decided that to lay a strong foundation for democratic decentralization. म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंट कोणे एक घरान गव्हर्नन्स जावपाक जाय ते भाशेन तेणी हो चेंजीस हाडले कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आनी तेणी बरयला पंचायत कोणे चलोवपाक जाय, पंचायतीन कितले मनीस आसपाक जाय, पंचायतीचें इलेक्शन कशें जावपाक जाय. आनी ह्या कायद्यांतल्यान तेणी सांगलां हे कायदे आख्खे इंडियेन फॉलो करूंक जाय. खंयचे स्टेटीन जावं कितें तें तुवें हे बुका प्रमाणे तुवें फॉलो करपाक जाय फॉर पंचायत. So that was the system brought in 73rd amendment. And in 74th amendment आनी एक हा, that is for municipalities. Okay, 73rd is for panchayat, 74 is for municipalities. So त्या कायद्या प्रमाणे 73rd amendment of the constitution, त्या कायद्या प्रमाणे हर एक स्टेट, Goa, Maharashtra, Kerala, they had to change their Panchayat Act. Okay? And तितून बरयला that you have to come with the act and rules of every state. So तेका लागून in Goa we passed the ordinance in 1994. 93 the amendment happened. 94 we had to make our own set of rules to run panchayats in Goa. So in 94 that bill was passed in the assembly on 25th May 1994. The bill passed. And that bill, after the bill goes, it gets ascended to the governor and it becomes an act. So that bill got ascended to governor on 9th July 1994. Okay, and it became an act. What was the name of the act? Goa Panchayat Raj Act 1994. Called it. So ह्या कायद्याचो book हा पळय तो कायदे हा पळय Goa. I didn't bring the book today, but it is so fat. Okay, आणि तितून जायते बरयलेले आहा फकत पंचायतीचे. कितें हा तितून ते दाखयता. So in 1994 we got the Goa Panchayat Raj Act. Panchayat Raj Act and त्या बुकान दोन भाग आसात. First part is act, second part is rules. दोन भाग आसा हे उगडास करप. पयलो जो भाग आहा इट इज एक्ट म्हणजे कितें करपाचें लायक फॉर एग्जांपल tree cutting. The panchayat has got the authority to cut trees which are dangerous for buildings etc. which are going to fall. That is the act. आता त्या actaचेर कोणे कातरपाचें कोणे कातरपाचें that comes in the rules. So panchayat just cannot simply come and cut. Rules आसा तेका. So as per every act there are also corresponding rules. For example, in the act it is written that Gram Sabha जावंक जाय. Okay? Gram Sabha should happen once in 4 months, I mean once in 3 months, let us show you. It is written in the acts. But how to conduct the Gram Sabha is written in the rules. कळ्ळें तुका? So both are important. थोडे जाण कितें करता आमी फकत एक्ट वाचता थिंगा पळय हे सेक्शन तेणे ग्राम सभा कशें केलें रे? It is not written anywhere in the Panchayat Raj Act. बाबा तुवें तो rules वाचला? No. Rules aha. Some people ask that question. Rules we have. Said yes. It's in the same book but in the back. So दोन्ही वाचपाक जाय. Then when you read that, then होय सारकें मरे कितें बेश्टान आवाज केलो. Okay, so you have to read both. Now, acts and rules. Acts there are 246 sections. कितले? 246 कायदे आहा. हे सगळे कायदे हांव आयज शिकयना तुमकां. ओके, हांव पासून हे 246 नको एक बाय हार्ट but which are mainly important that I know and that is good for you to learn. But now I will not show you that you learn on your own. But the act has got 246 sections and the rules are 27 rules. Okay, rules are 27 rules. Act and rules दोन्ही time to time change जातात कित्याक गरज पडटा. Like for example, there is a very nice change which happened in 2016. What is the change? That all Gram Sabhas must be recorded with the video. Dana tumi? Nobody knows. But in 2016 they put that in the act. They changed it. So time to time acts are changing. And who does this change? The assembly. Amchi government, the assembly they pass a bill, they will say amendment act and all that, and they keep changing. So time to time